All working professionals talk about LinkedIn. They talk about leads, personal branding, business, job offers, and the list goes on. When you are into a huge crowd for a job posting, then LinkedIn will make you stand out and take you one step above all the other candidates. We all have heard these statements, but are they really true? Let's find out in this video. Is really LinkedIn useful? Do we need to create our own personal brand, and will it help us in getting what we wanted in LinkedIn? In this video, I'll be answering all these questions with my experience. It all started one day after listening to a podcast of Rahul and Sudarshanan. Thank you for all the insights you provided. You both have inspired me to start my content creation journey. I'm going to reveal everything with proofs. Watch till the end, you will get to know the real power of content creation. Let me take you back to my first post. This is the first post I created on LinkedIn, the basic informative carousel about front-end development. Today, I have over 1.4 million impressions on LinkedIn with over 3k followers. I have posted over 100 carousels in different topics such as JavaScript, Angular, React, Git, etc. After posting all these continuously, what did I get? What did LinkedIn give me? By doing all this, I created my own personal brand. I became an authority in my niche, which is full stack development. I have also built an audience for me. And finally, I monetized it. You heard me right? I was able to monetize it. I was able to monetize it in 3 ways. The first one was getting interview calls from big tech companies. I'm showing this first because everyone talks about job opportunities in LinkedIn. So for the question, will you be able to get interview calls from big tech companies through LinkedIn? And the answer is yes. Also, I should tell you this, I have not approached anyone through DM or cold emails. Each and every screenshot that I'm showing you here are from inbound. The next type of monetization is the actual money. I have earned over 50,000 rupees from the leads I got through LinkedIn. I'm working with 2 clients as LinkedIn growth strategist, creating tech content for them. And also I got an opportunity to work in a web development project as well. Again, I repeat, all these are inbound leads. I have not spent any amount on ads or marketing. The third type of monetization is something like additional feather on my hat. I got an opportunity to act as a technical reviewer for a book. It's 100% organic reach through my content. After all these, I have also built an audience for my content. We have now reached 3000. 3000 may sound less, but in LinkedIn, it's not about how many followers you have. It's always about who your followers are. Having right set of audience is more important than the actual number. This is just the beginning. I will keep on providing with as much as value I can. As we have crossed 3k, the most common questions I was asked in this journey of content creation are: what tools are you using to create such content? How do you make the carousels? Where do you get the beautiful code snippets? I'm going to reveal you my content creation process step by step, A to Z, from researching to converting it into a carousel that I make and post on LinkedIn. Not just that, I'll show you how to post it on LinkedIn, how the caption should be added, how the post description should be, and also I'll be showing you how to make your content reach more people. This would be my giveaway for all the things that I have got from LinkedIn. Do follow my account in LinkedIn for content on full stack development. Also follow Infinite Techies on LinkedIn and Instagram, where I'm helping people learn full stack development. My motto is to make full stack web development easy for all. Share this with your friends, whoever wish to build their personal brand in tech, that too particularly in LinkedIn. Comment below on what you need to know from my journey. I'll make a separate video on that. Keep supporting. We'll meet you in the giveaway. Bye.